2.
Phonemic awareness is the ability to perceive and manipulate individual sounds. It is essential for successful phonics instruction and for learners to be able to use phonics to identify words as they read and to spell words as they write. Phonemic awareness must be learned through reading and writing. It's not just acquired naturally. The National Reading Panel has identified 6 tasks for phonemic awareness assessment and instruction: phoneme isolation, phoneme identity, phoneme categorization, phoneme blending, phoneme segmentation, phoneme deletion. You can ask your learner to complete these tasks to see if there is a need for you to work on developing phonemic awareness. You can use these same tasks for phonemic awareness practice either with or without letter or word cards.
So Jonathan, we've been working on the sounds that individual letters make. And the reason that we do that is so that it becomes automatic for you. When you see a letter, you know the sound that it makes. So I'm going to give you some words and I'm going to ask you to remove the sound of a particular letter, okay? And it's going to change the sound of the word itself as well, okay? So what happens to the word steak if I take away the S sound?
Steak. We take.
Right. How about the word lip if I take away the P sound?
P. Let's see.
Lip. No P.
L.
Yeah, lip.
L.
Yeah, no
L.
P sound. There you go, no P. There you go. How about the word stop without the sound of S?
Stop. Top.
Perfect. How about the word pot without the T?
Pa. Pa.
Uh-huh.
Pa.
Pa. How about the word map without the M?
Map. Mat. All right. Map. Mop.
Map
Map.
with no M.
App.
Perfect. How about slap without the S sound with it?
Slap. With
Out the S. Slap. Take away the S.
app. Right.
You had it.
App.
You had it.
App.
No.
Lap.
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 Yeah. How about the word track without the T?
Track. Rack.
Perfect. And how about stale without the S?
Stale. A.
Stale
What's
without the S.
stay? Wait.
Say the whole word.
Stale.
Okay. Now don't do the S down. Don't do this. Stale.
Stale.
Take away this.
Ale. Oh wait.
Tail.
Tail.
Tail. There you
Tail.
go. Tail. Stale.
Stale.
Tail.
Tail.
There you go. How about the same word, stale, but I want you to take out the ol.
L. So we stay. Stale.
Stay.
Stay.
You had it. Yeah, perfect. Stay. How about riff without the sound?
Riff. If.
Perfect. And how about man without the
An. Man. An.
and, right. And how about boat without the T sound? T. Boat.
Bow.
No
Boat.
T.
Bow.
Bow. Perfect. How about sat without the S?
Sat. At.
That works. How about cub without the B?
Cub. Ku. Or
Ka.
Q. Ka.
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 Cub.
Cub.
Ka.
Ka.
Yeah?
Ka.
Got it?
Got it.
Good. Okay. How about price without
Price.
the P?
Price.
Without P.
Rice. Rice.
There you go. And bland without the B. B.
Land. Without the
Without the B.
B. Land.
Yeah, there you go. Got a couple more for you. How about Lord without the D?
Lore. Lore.
Say the full word.
Lord. without the
D.
lower.
Perfect. Good. And farm without the at the end.
Farm without the For. Far.
Farm. Farm.
Farm.
Now no
Far.
There you go. And one more. How about stack without the t in the middle there?
Stack. Be sack.
There you go. Perfect. Good job.
Thanks.
So Jonathan, here's another interesting way to practice and learn sounds. The more practice we do, the more immediate those sounds come to you when you're looking at new words. So this word here, steak. Steak.
Steak.
Steak, like a stake in the ground. What happens when we take the s away from steak? What do you have now?
It'll be take.
Perfect.
Take.
Take. And if we put the s back, the sound of
Steak.
we have steak. And here we have lip.
Lip.
Lip. If we take the p sound away, the p, we have
Lie. Lie.
li.
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 We have li. And if we put the sound of the p back, we have
Lip.
good. And so here we have the word stop. And if we take the s sound away, we have the word
Top.
good. We put the s back in,
Stop.
and now we have stop.
Stop.
Stop. Good job.
You have just seen a learner and a tutor practicing phonemic awareness tasks. This type of focused practice should take up no more than 20 minutes of any given lesson. You can ask your local literacy program or an adult literacy listserv for advice on curriculum choices that provide structured, sequential practice.